Greetings and welcome to this lecture on thermodynamics. Today we will be looking at an Android application named Steam Property. This application can be used as an alternative to Steam table. So let me explain the use of this application. So to begin with, I'll draw TH diagram for water, temperature versus entropy. This is the vapor dome. I'll show a pressure equal to constant curve on TH diagram, and for example this pressure is equal to 10 bar. So in our example we are taking pressure is equal to 10 bar. Now for this 10 bar pressure we will get a saturation temperature from steam table. Now this point on the top is critical point. Left side curve is saturated liquid curve where X is equal to 0, dryness fraction. Towards the right hand side we have saturated vapor curve where dryness fraction X is equal to 1, and for example we'll draw a curve over here whose dryness fraction X is equal to 0.9. Now next thing is we'll define some points over here. So first point, this point is a point where the enthalpy which we read from steam table is denoted by HF. Then in between we have wet region. So at this location we will be having enthalpy value as Hg. For this point, according to our example, we'll have enthalpy of H8. Now this region towards the right is superheated region. So now we'll go to the steam tables. So we have, in case of steam table, we have temperature table, pressure table, and then these three tables are specific volume, specific enthalpy, and specific entropy of superheated steam. Now according to our example, when pressure is 10 bar, so we have to look for the pressure tables. So first table is temperature table. So we'll go to the pressure tables. These are the pressure table where pressure has been given in bar. So for 10 bar pressure, the saturation temperature, so this is the temperature, saturation temperature from steam table value is 179.9 degrees Celsius. So let me write down this value over here. So Tsat value is 179.9 degree Celsius. Then the next value is HF. So HF is 762.6 kilojoule per kg. So HF value is 762.6 kilojoule per kg. This is the value of this point. Next we will see Hg for 10 bar. The value from the steam table is 2776.2 kilojoule per kg. Next we will calculate H wet value. So formula for H wet is HF at given pressure 10 bar, or you can write temperature of 179.9 degrees Celsius plus X HFG. HFG is also at 10 bar or at 179.9 degrees Celsius. So from steam table, HF at 10 bar is 762.6 plus X we are considering 0.9 into HFG value is 2013.6. So we have to calculate this value now. So let me calculate the value. 762.6 plus 0.9 multiplied by 2013.6. This comes out to be 2574.84 kilojoule per kg. Now next, suppose the superheated temperature, consider it to be as 300 degrees Celsius. So T sup is 300 degrees Celsius. So how to find enthalpy of this point? H sup. So H sup will be equal to, just we have to go to enthalpy tables. Of superheated steam, see the locate pressure 10 bar. So for 10 bar pressure and 300 degrees Celsius, enthalpy is H sup, value is 3052.1 kilojoule per kg. So after calculating this, now we have to go to the application steam property on Android. Now for this application, first we will calculate at saturation condition. So just click on calculation at saturation. Now here dryness fraction for HF is 0 and pressure is 10 bar, and here you should note that bar we have to consider bar absolute. Okay, so pressure in bar absolute unit will be, and click on calculate. So for 10 bar pressure and quality 0, here you can see, so we'll write down the data. So from app, when pressure is equal to 10 bar and X is equal to 0, we get enthalpy as, change the unit of enthalpy to kilojoule per kg. So we get enthalpy as HF equal to 762.68 kilojoule per kg. Now we'll try to calculate next enthalpy value, which is Hg. So HG, how to locate this HG on the app? So for this, X is equal to 1 and pressure is equal to 10 bar. So go to the app again. X dryness fraction is 1 and pressure is 10 bar absolute, calculate. So here you can now write down enthalpy Hg. So Hg is 2777.1 kilojoule per kg. Now next we'll calculate H weight. So in order to calculate H weight, again go back to the app. Dryness fraction is 0.9 and pressure is 10 bar. Click on calculate. So here you can see the state is liquid vapor mixture and enthalpy value has been given over here. So enthalpy is 2575.7 kilojoule per kg. Now you should remember that from this app you can calculate specific enthalpy, specific entropy, specific internal energy, specific volume. Now in order to calculate H soup, again go back to the app, uncheck calculation at saturation. Then first input parameter will be pressure is 10 bar, and second input parameter will be temperature, and temperature of superheated steam in our example is 300 degrees Celsius. Click calculate. So here first thing which you can see is degree of superheating, which is 120.11 degrees Celsius. Now this degree of superheating can give us what is the Tsat temperature. So how to calculate Tsat from degree of superheating? So in order to do this, what we have to do is we have to open the calculator, and in calculator superheat temperature is 300 minus degree of superheating temperature is 120.11. So 179.89 is the saturation temperature, which we had seen in earlier case. So again go back to the app and now just read the enthalpy value. Enthalpy is 3051.7 kilojoule per kg. So enthalpy is 3051.7 kilojoule per kg. Now you can verify the values. So first value we will see, first value HF. From steam table we got HF as 762.6 and from app we got it as 762.68. Then H weight value we got as 2574.84 kilojoule per kg from steam table, and from application we got it as 2575.7 kilojoule per kg. Then next Hg value we got as 2776.2 kilojoule per kg from steam table, and from application 2777.1 kilojoule per kg, and HSUF value is 3052.1 kilojoule per kg, and from application we got it as 3051.7 kilojoule per kg. So there is a slight variation of this app from the steam table, but that is okay. Next features of the application I wanted to explain is, if you click on calculation at saturation, you will find that select input data. So here you can select quality. So when you are selecting quality, you can either select pressure, temperature or volume as the input data, second input data. So second option is temperature only. So suppose we are going for pressure only option. So when you are selecting pressure only, and when you select 10 bar pressure and click on calculate, so this will give you two values. One will be liquid properties, which will be HF and SF, and second one will be vapor properties, which will be Hg and Fg. So like this, by single input also you can get the data for saturation condition. Next we will uncheck the calculation at saturation, and when we are selecting first data as pressure, so second data can be temperature, enthalpy, entropy or volume. Okay, now the use of this one is, suppose pressure is known and suppose enthalpy is known. Now suppose we are selecting pressure as the data and enthalpy as the second data, and pressure is 10 bar absolute, and suppose the value of enthalpy I am writing it as 5000 kilojoule per kg. So if you click on calculate, here you can notice that superheating is given. So from this superheating, this is basically degree of superheat. So the temperature is 1142.5 degrees Celsius and the degree of superheating is 962.6. So if you subtract from this, you will get the saturation temperature.